No, no. Morning, this is Mike from ABC123 Trader. I'm just going to do a little quick video. I am going to go live today, but I'm going to try something different. I'll be honest with you, these past couple weeks, I have never seen a market this ugly. So it's going to be really interesting what I'm going to be trying to do today. So if you want to follow me on Sim, what we're going to do is we're going to try some time trading, and we'll look at everything to see if we'll look at. We're still in consolidation like you won't believe, but let's try some time trading. Follow me. Remember, this is going to be on some simulation trade here, but at least we can get an idea of how we can feel this market out. I think this market's going to stay ugly like this until December 14th, 15th, until they decide if Trump or Biden is in with all this court case stuff. So what we have is on the two charts here. I'm just going to show you. I'll just transition so you can see the other chart as well. How I have it kind of set up here. So as you can see, what we have on this chart here is we've got our daily or 4-hour the Isham. I put it to 15 minutes for now, and then the 1-minute chart plus. When we go back to our regular chart here, my trading chart, I'm going to be testing. Give me a second here. Let me transition this for you guys. Why aren't you transitioning? Maybe I have it on the wrong screen. Anyways, I'll just check that on the wrong super setup here. But that first screen that you saw there is what we're going to be trading on, and we'll be trading on the time point. Other than that, I'm just going to upload this video really quickly, and you guys are going to join me live today. We'll try it out. Alrighty, I do have my table. It's a small one, but it's working. Other than that, just pinpoint your trades, trade safe, you guys, and hopefully see you in the next hour. And let's stop.